Hello again. Things could get lively later this week with the threat of thunderstorms, but before then, Tuesday promises fine conditions across most of the UK. Dry and bright, sunny spells and warm as well. But later on, we are looking at some cloud and rain spilling into the northwest. That is going to come courtesy of this weather system fast approaching from the Atlantic, but ahead of it, a ridge of high pressure, which is, as I say, bringing most of us a fine day through Tuesday. A bit more clouds spilling southwards through the evening over East Anglia and the south of England. That will still be around first thing on Tuesday morning. Behind that, cooler and fresher conditions have arrived, and it will be a more comfortable night for sleeping as temperatures in some towns and cities drop down to single digits. However, the warm air will hold on across the southeast, so one more at least humid night to come here, but elsewhere a more comfortable night and a fresher start to Tuesday. A cloudier start to the day across the southeast corner. That cloud should melt away, but at the same time, the cloud will be thickening in the northwest. So the sunshine turning hazy across Northern Ireland and western Scotland, with some rain trickling in really from late morning over the Western Isles and then heading into the Highlands and perhaps the far west of Northern Ireland. Away from that weather front that we saw earlier, however, most places will be dry and fine with plenty of sunshine, certainly across England and Wales, and temperatures back on the rise as well, more widely over 20 degrees Celsius, and across the southeast, well, 25 or 26. So not as hot as Monday, but still well above average for the time of year, whereas it will feel a lot cooler in the northwest with the wet and increasingly windy weather here as well. That rain's going to get quite heavy across western Scotland through Tuesday evening as it spreads into Northern Ireland as well, and eventually towards the central belt of Scotland through the early hours of Wednesday morning. Ahead of that, temperatures will be quite warm once more, so a warmer night for England and Wales, some places holding up into the teens. Wednesday then promises more hot sunny weather across the Midlands and eastern England, but a cloudier day for northwest England. The early rain over the central belt and southern Scotland should fizzle out. We'll see some rain also across the far north and west of Wales at times, but much of Scotland, Northern Ireland turning bright. There will be a few showers in the far northwest, but for a good chunk of England and Wales it will be another sunny day and a hot one. Temperatures back up to the mid or even high 20s across the southeast. 30 Celsius is possible on Wednesday. A cooler day with a thicker cloud across the west coast of Wales and northwest England, and fresher conditions again across Scotland and Northern Ireland, but still pleasant enough in the sunny spells here. Head further south, however, and through Wednesday afternoon, a threat of thunderstorms developing over France, but heading their way northwards, and they may spread across the Channel and up towards the UK on Wednesday night, and then a continued risk of thunderstorms across parts of England and Wales in particular during Thursday and Friday. Some uncertainty about exactly when and exactly where, but the Met Office have issued a yellow warning. We're concerned about torrential rain, lots of lightning and gusty winds as well. For more details on that weather warning, visit the app, the website, or of course make sure you're following us on social media.